Expecting mothers will now receive a financial assistance of $1,000 under the 2026-2027 budget policies announced by Prime Minister Honorable Philip Pierre. However, mothers are now questioning whether or not this financial assistance will be enough. The new financial assistance is designed to serve as a secondary aid package working in tandem with existing free healthcare services provided under the Universal Health Coverage (UHC). Officials intend for their 1,000 grant to empower mothers to cover essential post-birth needs for both themselves and their newborns. Prime Minister Honorable Philip Pierre, speaking on the rollout of the initiative, underscored the government's commitment to social protection and family support.
All mothers of registered newborn babies will receive a one-time grant of EC $1,000 effective August 1st, 2026.
Despite the positive reception of the policy, mothers across the country have expressed concerns regarding the longevity and sufficiency of the funds. In interviews with NBC Prime, some beneficiaries argued that while the gesture is meaningful, the rising cost of living diminishes the impact of a one-time payment.
I believe it would be beneficial if parents get at least $1,000 per child every month. Maybe until they turn 16, because the older the children get, the more expensive it is.
Another mother echoed these sentiments, noting the heavy financial burden placed on families during the initial stages of parenthood.
You go to the supermarket, the price doesn't decrease, it goes up every day, you know what I mean? So I just feel that's not enough for the regular mother. Yeah, it's not enough.
However, even as they pushed for higher amounts or periodic disbursements, many mothers commended the government for prioritizing maternal health and welfare in the new budget. The conversation also extended to the role of fathers. Some male citizens praised the initiative but called for inclusive policies that recognize the challenges faced by single fathers.
It's not much, but it can still do something, because you have some mothers that don't work. They don't have nobody to give them nothing. If the government giving them that $1,000, they just have to use it wisely. But it's all right. But I still feel men should be, have something coming to them too as well, not women alone. They have some men that actually have the children who taken care of, and it's very hard for them. Very, very hard for them.
As the government prepares to implement these measures, the feedback from parents highlights a growing public expectation for social safety nets to evolve alongside the country's economic realities. The Prime Minister has indicated that this proposal is a cornerstone of his administration's broader vision for family support and poverty alleviation in the upcoming fiscal year. Keela Edwin, NBC Prime.